Okay, so here's the problem. The sliding screen door here is off its track. See, there's a track right here. It should be on that, but it's over there. And it struggles to open. What's going on is, right under there is a wheel. Okay, so I have to get that wheel onto this track. And just to let you see down here, that right there, that's a wheel. That's the other wheel, and that's on the track. So what I'm going to have to do is, make this wheel over here, right there. I have to get that onto the track. Okay, so since I'm outside, I'm going to use a knee pad, and then I've got 1, 2, 3. These are like painter's spatulas. I don't need all 3 of them. I'm just going to see which one works best. So basically what I'm going to do is slide this underneath the wheel, which is I think right there, and then pull this onto the track. Ah, there we go. Okay, there's the wheel right now. It's on the track. And it's fixed. There's my dog. Don't come out. Open, shut. Okay, that was super easy. A very easy repair. Thank you for watching.